Good morning. It is 4 o'clock. 4 a.m.
What's up, guys?
We're going to Hawaii. Going to Hawaii.
Goodbye, Las Vegas.
Yep, we're all checked in. Gotta hop on the tram. Say our final goodbyes.
There it is. Let's get it.
I think we're taking this one.
David eating healthy. I'm proud of you.
New year, new me.
And then, of course, we got the monster. Welcome to LA, baby.
So we're waiting in line. Has to do with this bad boy right here. Gotta get our QR code scanned to show that we're vax positive and we can get into the state. See a wristband on either one of these wrists?
Nope.
No, because the lady decided she wanted to go on TikTok instead of keep scanning us. The worst part, we were the next ones in line and she goes, oh, we're all done doing this. Or I'm all done. No, get on the plane. And then we waited for like almost 10 minutes after that. Well, guess what we could have done in those 10 minutes? Put a wristband on?
Welcome to Hawaii.
Thanks for having me. Let's get it.
What's up?
I like the hat. Oh my god. I hate this already.
Thoughts on the rental?
It's so dumb.
Come on, Pat.
Alright, Pat, get in. Yes. Woo! Yeah! Fucking Maui! Let's go! Yeah! Look at this guy.
Dave's currently looking for his diapers.
I already pooped myself once.
No, we just checked in the hotel.
What's up, fellas?
So this is our lanai, which means balcony in Hawaiian, and this is where we can do all sorts of cool stuff like drink and smoke and have lots of fun meals.
I don't drink water normally. It's normally just like soda and energy drinks.
Dude, you gotta hydrate.
You had 2 cups of water.
Yeah.
Proud of you, man. You're making healthy decisions
And
this trip.
dude, it was like I was feeling like this. I was like a plant or something. I had the water. It's like, you guys like my Okies?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got them for $2.
Guys, I think this is the start of a really big thing right here. We are on the verge of the best vacation ever. I think this is it.
I love the feeling of the pool on my legs. The pool feels nice on my legs.
Oh, let me put the script away.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it's like I got a gun to Pat's head. Yes, it feels good on my legs.
The pool feels amazing. It's like 70 degrees in this pool at least. 80 degrees outside. Air temp.
Being in the pool is nice because I can get my body wet in ways that it normally does not get wet.
Hello, little one. It's insane to think that it's Saturday night, or Saturday during the day, and we still have 8 nights here. And I'm already feeling afraid of going back home.
Well, dude, plus it feels like it's 10 o'clock basically.
Oh, true, true.
Yeah, that was
Bro.
Expires July. Come on, you can eat it.
Gift from the gods.
Wow.
Knock, 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 knock.
Damn, shorty, okay. Oh, this will definitely attract the shorties. Dude, imagine if I fell into this TV. Not only did I break the TV, I smashed this glass.
Yeah, break all this glass. All right, so just climb up there and put it up there.
Yeah, do we want me to fall down there?
Yes.
Okay. When I do it, I don't
All right, family. We got these LEDs up here. They're not the brightest thing in the world right now, but believe me, when the sun goes down, these things will shine like a tropical heat wave.
Heat waves be faking me out. Tom, how was your flight?
Told them that I was gonna show you my butt every time you had that around.
All right, do it. Tom, how was your flight?
Long, dude. I just like have a headache. Kind of feel like I'm like.
Did you have
half
leg room?
alive.
Where's the surfboard?
These are my
Oh, we didn't bring
traveling.
You didn't bring them.
We're gonna have to rent them.
David, when's the last time you've seen Curtis?
like 2 years, bro.
What's up, buddy?
Dave, you've never seen Megan give her a hug.
I'll hug you, Dave.
Stop poisoning our reunion with this artifice shit.
Look at he's all nervous now.
I'm not nervous.
He's all bricked up. It's the GoPro's daddy.
Dude, the Maui Banyan is wow.
Oh
You
man,
guys, I brought
I
this.
smell so bad in the shower.
I've been knee deep in water before. I've been knee deep in a girl's pussy. I know what water feels like. I don't need to wear a bathing suit to go to the ocean.
Yeah.
Tom's bullying Patrick.
Already?
Yeah.
Aloha.
Aloha. Aloha.
Aloha.
Aloha.
What did you guys get?
I got the chicken.
I got this. Hello, Gus. Where are you?
No car talkie with the wifey. Don't try that one.
Yeah. Look at YouTube, bro.
Zima, who got the keys to my motherfucking Beamer? Bitch, I ain't no in a, yeah. I want a Rari, I'm feeling godly. Wonder how much that gon' cost me, they feeling saucy. Niggas know that I'm a problem, they'll never solve me. If you came and start some drama, then bring an army. I've been going fucking fast and it got me swerving. I know that I'm a child of God, but they want me
It's
cursed.
good to finally see you boys.
Good to be here. It's we're in Hawaii.
Oh, really?
Don't forget.
Oh. What's up, buddy?
What's up, boys?
My suitcase is broken.
What's up, boys?
I'm a tough bastard.
You're a tough yeah.
No, you're not.
Shiva, where's the key?
Where did you ship here from?
Beat your sister's ass.
Are we done with that with King? Are you done with Kings?
That's your
I
Zom.
think so. It's really good. No, fuck you, dude. It's good.
Oh, ew, I can see myself. That's awful.
Shiva, something funny, Shiva? Where's our key?
Something funny.
Good.
Alright. Where's the play?
I want to check the vlog schedule so I know how to act, when to act, and when to pull my pants off. That's it.
Zima, who got the keys to my motherfucking Beamer? Bitch, I ain't no in a, yeah. I want a Rari, I'm feeling godly. Wonder how much that gon' cost me, they feeling saucy. Niggas know that I'm a problem, they'll never solve me. If you came and start some drama, then